Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you some easy blue smoky eyes. Also, I would just like to give this little extra information about this cute top that I'm wearing. So I bought this only for 790 rupees from Zara online sale, and I was so excited when I received this top. In fact, I bought a lot of other tops and stuff from Zara. So if you want to watch that, if you want to see my Zara haul, then let me know. I'll make a video about it, and yeah, let's get started with the video.
So before we start any eye makeup, the first step is always to prime the eyelids. Today I'm using this eye primer from Urban Decay. I'm using my finger to blend it on my eyelids. For eyebrows, I'm using Benefit Eyebrow Pomade in shade number 4 and using Pack Brush number 3141 to fill my eyebrows. I have another video on my YouTube channel in case if you want to see how I fill my eyebrows. It's a very detailed video, so you can refer to that. Now I'm taking this thick brown eyeliner pencil from KRYOLAN. We'll be smudging this pencil on our lid, so I'm applying a thick eyeliner. Now with the help of this flat brush, I am smudging this liner on my lid. Make sure you don't take this color all the way to the crease, just keep it below the crease. Now for the crease, I'm using this pink shade from Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It's called Doll Face. So I'm applying this color on the crease and just blending it back and forth. Usually with blue smoky eyes, pink as a transition color or a crease color looks really pretty. Just blending it till the time I'm happy with the shade. Also guys, I'm taking this shade all the way to the inner corner. Alright, so our crease color is done. So let's go on to our next step, which is applying a blue color. So I'm taking this blue color from my MORPHE 35B palette and just applying it on the lid with the help of a flat brush. Now with the help of a clean blending brush, I'm blending this again so that the pink and the blue color blends with each other properly. For the outer corners, I'm taking this dark brown shade and with the help of this Real Technique blending brush, I'm blending it in the outer corner, in the outer V. Remember guys, blending is the key in any eye makeup. Make sure there are no harsh lines. Keep blending till the time your arm starts hurting. Now I'm taking this beautiful metallic blue shade. Well, this is a cream eyeshadow. You can take a brush or apply it with your finger. It's completely up to you. So I bought this from Nykaa. This is from a brand called AUSTRALIS. For a cream eyeshadow, it's better to take a synthetic brush or just use your finger. Mostly I use my finger to apply the shade. So just applying in the center. Now I'm taking this light color, you can take any highlighter color, and applying it in the inner corner just to brighten it up a little. So guys, in this video I'm just showing my eye makeup. My base is already done. I'm just applying a little bit of loose powder under the eye before I start smudging shadow in the lower lash line. It's very important to apply some kind of compact or loose powder before you start smudging any eyeshadow or your kajal pencil. Alright, so the under eye is now done. Let's go on to the next step, which is applying kajal in our waterline. I'm taking this black kajal pencil from Faces and applying it in the waterline. This is a waterproof kajal. Now I'm taking the same blue color which we applied on our lid initially and smudging it with the help of a pencil brush. Alright, so I'm completing my eye makeup look with lots of mascara and some false eyelashes. Quickly applying some blusher and highlighter and showing you guys the final look in 3, 2 and 1. So guys, here is the final look. What do you guys think about it? Do let me know. Whenever you recreate this look, please do tag me on Insta. I would love to see it. And also remember, keep this blue color below the crease. Don't take it all the way up. It won't look nice. Guys, I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Take care of yourself and take care of your skin. Stay healthy, stay blessed.